Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Yakult popsicles. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing treat on a warm day. You'll only need a few basic items, primarily Yakult, and a touch of sweetener if you prefer. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your homemade popsicles are a delightful success. Get ready to create a cool, tangy snack that everyone will love with minimal effort and just a few minutes of prep time. Now let's get to the fun part. Mixing. Take about 5 or 6 bottles of Yakult and pour them into a bowl. If you like a sweeter treat, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey or your preferred sweetener. Stir everything together gently until it's well combined. Then, carefully fill your popsicle molds, leaving a little space at the top for expansion. This ensures your popsicles will have a perfect shape. Once your molds are filled, it's time for the freezing process. Gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Make sure they stand upright so the sticks freeze in place. Now, transfer your molds to the freezer. For optimal results, let them freeze for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This ensures your Yakult popsicles are perfectly solid and ready to enjoy, offering a delightful, icy crunch. After patiently waiting, your delicious Yakult popsicles are ready. To easily remove them from the molds, run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull on the popsicle stick, and your frozen treat should slide right out. Enjoy these refreshing and tangy popsicles immediately. They are a fantastic, healthy snack for any time of day, offering a cool burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.